This is the Tesla or TSLA men's thermal long sleeve compression shirt, which features a high collar that you can stretch up around your head as a bit of a beanie in case you need a bit more warmth when you're running or whatever you're doing in colder weather. Now, it is a 90% polyester, 10% elastane construction, and it's made in Vietnam. Now, this is the charcoal color, and it is recommended that it's a cold machine wash with light colors. Don't use fabric softeners, don't use bleach, and don't dry clean it. And make sure you line dry it and don't iron it. Now, it is a somewhat stretchy material and it is quite comfortable on. It does have a fleece lining on the inside, so it is warmer than some of the other base layers that Tesla do. The only logos on it are actually the Tesla TSLA logo on the front chest of the shirt, so that's kind of nice. And the stitching is all internal, so it is a quite nice looking shirt. It's quite subtle, and you could get away with it when it's not quite as cold to wear it on its own or just under a light jacket or that sort of thing. So the fleece layer does continue up through the neck area, so that's really nice, and it is very soft to touch. It is stretchy and it fits well. I found the fit to be normal and quite accurate. However, I did think it was a little bit narrower around the waist than normal. So that's it. Hope you found this video helpful, and for more information and pricing, check out the links down below.